Chapter 4 Onam. Many festivals are celebrated in our country. Some festivals have their religious values, whereas some are related to change in seasons and harvest of crops. What is common in all festivals? New clothes, good food, entertainment, and no study. Come, let's read. India, being a multilingual and multi-religious country, celebrates many festivals. Some festivals are celebrated with religious fervor, and some festivals are related to the change of seasons. Though Onam and Sankranti differ mythologically, these two are harvest festivals. Kerala, a small state in South India, is famous for its science beauty with its backwaters of the sea, fringed with tall and elegant coconut palms. Onam falls in the months of August or September, when the monsoons are over and Mother Nature is fresh and the people rejoice as their greeneries are filled with paddy. During the days of Onam entrance, every house is decorated with flower rangoli called atapu. Two little mounds of earth are placed in the center, presenting Mahabali, the Asura king of Kerala, and Vishnu. The might behind it is that Mahabali was so powerful that he dethroned Indra from Swargaloka. Indra sought the help of Vishnu. In the disguise of Vamana, he went to Mahabali and made a simple request to grant him a piece of land which he could cover 3 times with his feet. Despite the warning of the sage and preceptor Sukracharya, the king granted him the land. Vamana began to expand his body and increased to the cosmic proportions. His first step covered the whole earth, and the second step covered the skies. On asking where he should lay his third step, Mahabali told him to keep on his head. Then he pushed him to Patalaloka. After having revealed his identity, Vishnu granted Mahabali a boon to allow him to visit his people once a year and to be with him as a protector. Sporting events are organized after the puja and lavish feast. Keralites love boat races. The long snake-like boats called chunduns are rowed by 100 men. Alleppey is famous for boat races. Word meaning: gayest, happy and full of fun. Fringe, a border of trees along the edge of something. Granaries, the building where grain is stored. Disguised, changed his appearance. Cosmic, connected with the whole universe. Tribute, an act that shows your respect for someone. Understanding the lesson. A. Answer the following questions. Question 1. Where is Onam celebrated? Answer. Onam is celebrated in Kerala. Question 2. Describe the scenic beauty and climate of the state of Kerala. Answer. Kerala is a beautiful state and backwaters fringed with tall and elephant coconut plants add to Kerala's scenic beauty. It is a warm and moist land. Question 3. When is Onam celebrated? Answer. Onam is celebrated in Shravana or Bhadrapada, that is around August or September. Question 4. What do the two mounds of earth in the center represent? Answer. The two mounds of earth in the center represent Mahabali and Vishnu. Question 5. Write about the social activities held during the festival. Answer. The flower rangoli called Athapu starts 10 days ahead for Onam. A family puja takes place and they offer prayers to the mounds of Mahabali and Vishnu. They wear new clothes and receive gifts. They prepare payasam. Boat races are organized in the afternoon. The most famous races are held at Alleppey. Question 6. Why did Lord Indra want to destroy Mahabali? Answer. Mahabali dethroned Lord Indra and made him his puppet. So, Lord Indra wanted to destroy Mahabali. Question 7. What did Vishnu ask Mahabali in the guise of a Vamana? Answer. Vishnu, in the disguise of a Vamana, asked Mahabali to give him a piece of land which he could cover 3 times with his feet. Question 8. Where did Vamana place his first second, and third steps? Answer. Vamana placed his first step on the whole of earth, second step on the whole of the skies, and third step on Mahabali's head. Question 9. What was Mahabali's last wish granted by Lord Vishnu? Answer. Mahabali's last wish granted by Lord Vishnu was to allow Mahabali to visit his people once a year and be with him as his protector. B. Write one word for each for these phrases. C. Fill in the blanks. Vocabulary. A. Make sentences of your own with these phrases. B. Rearrange the letters of these jumbled words to get words that are to be found in the lesson. Grammar. A. Here are the present forms of verbs. Write the past form. B. Complete these sentences using the present form of verbs. C. Complete these sentences using the past form of verbs. Speaking. Work in pairs. Talk about animals that are kept as pets in our homes. Who is this sweater for? It's for you. Where did you get this sweater from? I got it from Manali. It's a special. What's so special about it? It's made from yak's wool. Now talk with your partner about any of the following. Beautiful shirt. A teddy bear. 1. Who is this beautiful shirt for? It's for my dad. Where did you get this shirt from? I got it from Men's Touch showroom. It's a special. What's so special about it? It's an imported piece from London. 2. Who is this teddy bear for? It's for my little brother. Where did you get this teddy bear from? I got it from my uncle. It's a special. What's so special about it? It's made of fine material. Writing. Like Onam, Holi is also a harvest festival. A myth is also associated with this festival. Ask your mother or teacher to tell you about it. Then write about it in your own words. Once there lived a devil and powerful kings, Hiranyakashyap, who considered himself the Almighty God and wanted everybody to worship him. His son Prahalad worshipped Lord Vishnu. To get rid of his son, Hiranyakashyap asked his sister Holika to enter a blazing fire with Prahalad in her lap, as she has a boon to enter fire unharmed. Prahalad was saved for his extreme devotion for the Lord, while Holika paid a price for her sinister desire. The tradition of burning Holika or the Holika Dahan comes mainly from this legend.